Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So the number one reason why you are losing customers is because of your employees. The number one reason in cleaning that they will look for someone else is they feel the instability of your company when you have employees running in and out. So if you want to know things you can do, 5 things that you can change so that you're able to keep the employees, especially now, then stay tuned. I'm going to give you 5 things that I personally did that worked like a charm when it comes to keeping employees, even in this environment. You ready? Here we go. Number 1. Employees want to know that they're cared about. So if you don't want to have to do this all on your own, which is an impossibility, there's no way. And after a while, you run out of family members, cousins, children, all of that. So you're definitely going to have to be able to scale your business when it comes to employees. So what do you need to do? The first thing, people want to feel they're cared about. So when you get your employees, make sure that you talk to them, not at them, but talk to them and make sure that they feel like they're a part of a team. When you think about any of the large companies, whether it be they have stock options, which we probably don't have, they want to know that they're cared about and they're team members. It's one of the biggest things about Chick-fil-A. They are great at keeping their employees, even when and during the pandemic. The lines were wrapped around the corner when it came to Chick-fil-A because of how they treat their employees. So people want to know they're cared about before they really care about anything else. Let your employees know they're cared about. Number 2, make sure you give them bonuses. I do a safety bonus if there's no safety, or definitely when it comes to attendance. If they don't miss any days, I give them a bonus. Now, you want to make sure you know what kind of bonus they're looking for. What matters to them? That's number 3. Some people want money. Some people want time. Some want recognition. Get to know your employees. Get to know your people so you know what it is that motivates them. Number 4, make sure you give people vacation time. Don't work them to death. Do and treat them the way you want to be treated when you are at your job. I'm quite sure we can all remember that. And there are those of us that are still working a 9 to 5. What are our biggest complaints? There's no room for advancement. There's no bonus. There's no vacation. Same thing. People sometimes, once they become CEOs, they forget that they too were once employees for someone else and how they felt. Just put yourself in their moccasins and you will remember and make sure you treat them when it comes to vacations. Number 5, make sure you give positive feedback. Sometimes people just want a simple thank you. I really appreciate it, how far you went out for me. Give them that feedback and you'll be surprised that when it comes to retaining, cleaning employees, the number one thing I hear, it's hard to retain them. Now, that was something that I dealt with way back in the day. So I know it's even more challenging now to make sure that you're one of those companies that's not going to lose your customers. You got to be able to retain your employees. So work on that, implement it right away. And if you want to learn more on how to and what to do when it comes to keeping your business growing and scaling with government, then make sure you sign up for our free workshop masterclass on everything government. It's tomorrow noon, Wednesday, Eastern time. Space is limited. We only take a few people because we like to teach while we're doing the masterclass. It's like a workshop. You're working while you're there, absolutely free. And if you want to learn everything about how to scale to 6 figures and beyond when it comes to private commercials and government, then make sure you sign up for our commercial on Thursdays. 12 noon, I go into everything, the pillars on what you need to do to attract, what you need to do to retain, what you need to do to acquire. You don't want to continue to go through walkthroughs. That's not any fun, going through walkthrough after walkthrough, not want to do that. So if you want to learn more on what I call the 3 pillars, all about setting up the systems and doing those 3 things that you must do, then I'd love to see you at that masterclass where once again, you're going to be writing down, working. I'm going to put you to work so that way you're going to be ready to scale your business. So if you'd like to know more, make sure you click the description. The link is there. I'd love to see you there. And until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.